Good morning, boys and girls. Let's go ahead and be ready to get started on our Wordly Wise Lesson 4 test. Reviewing the directions. Number 1, put your name and your number on your paper. Listen to the words as I say them. Pause the video and write your words on your paper. Press play, the next word, and then finally, on the back, we are going to have you write 4 interesting sentences. Let's begin. Number 1, moisture. Carla sat on the players' bench and wiped the moisture from her face with a towel. Number 2, nectar. The bees hummed around the flowers of the linden tree as they gathered nectar. Nectar. Number 3, process. In early spring, Uncle Ted and Aunt Flora began the process of making maple syrup by collecting sap from their maple tree. Process. Number 4, span. The bridge at Cape Girardeau, Missouri has 3 spans. Span. Number 5, suitable. Checkers and other games with small parts are not suitable for young children who might try to swallow the playing pieces. Suitable. Number 6, timber. As we drove down the mountain, we followed a truck loaded with timber on its way to a sawmill. Timber. Number 7, flutter. Sitting by their clubhouse, Olivia and Victor watched their flag flutter above them. Number 8, cocoon. The empty cocoon hanging from the leaf meant the moth had already flown away. Cocoon. Number 9, border. The United States borders Mexico to the south and Canada to the north. Border. Number 10, average. Mr. Barnes, who is just over 7 feet tall, is not of average height. Average. Number 11. This word means to wave or flap quickly. This word means to wave or flap quickly. Number 12. This word means that it is just right for some purpose or event. This word means that it is just right for some purpose or an event. Number 13. This word means damp or slightly wet. Damp or slightly wet. Number 14. This word means a number of steps that you take in order to do or make something. The number of steps that you do in order to that you take in order to do or make something. Number 15. This word means the silky case that a caterpillar makes to protect itself for a time before it becomes a moth or a butterfly. Number 16. Signal. Signal. When I want your attention, I raise my hand for a signal and say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, boys and girls, please flip your paper over and write 4 interesting sentences. Have a great day.